Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Something funny happened to me today. Well, funny now, not funny this morning.
That sounds like the beginning of a very small adventure.
Yes, I almost came late because of my bike.
Oh no, what happened?
I was riding to the studio and suddenly the back tire felt strange.
That heavy, wobbly feeling?
Exactly. I stopped, looked down, and the tire had almost no air. My bike was doing yoga on the sidewalk.
Ha 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 ha, a very flexible bike. A flat tire is not fun, but it is useful English.
Right. If my bike wants drama, at least we can get an episode from it.
We will start with the bike shop conversation.
Hi, I have a flat tire.
No problem. Which tire is flat?
My back tire is flat.
Okay, I can take a look.
Thank you. I think I rode over something sharp.
Maybe glass or a small nail?
Can you repair it today?
Yes, I can replace the tube.
Do I need a new tire too?
No, the tire is okay. You only need a new tube.
How much will it cost?
About $15 including labor.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That sounds good. Please go ahead.
Great, I will get it started.
You know, I never think about bike words until my bike has a problem.
That is how bikes teach vocabulary. They wait, then surprise you.
My bike said, "Good morning, here is today's English lesson."
Ha 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 ha, very generous. Very inconvenient, but generous.
I wanted coffee. My bike wanted a mechanic.
The bike won.
The bike always wins.
Okay, bike words. The part you hold with your hands is the handlebar.
Handlebar. Good. I held it very tightly when I realized something was wrong.
That sounds right. The parts that stop the bike are the brakes.
Brakes are my favorite part of a bike. I like stopping safely.
A very reasonable hobby.
The round part is the wheel, right?
Yes, the whole round part is the wheel. The rubber outside is the tire.
So wheel and tire are different. My tire was sad, but my wheel was okay.
Exactly. A sad tire, but a brave wheel.
Ha ha ha, I like that. And inside the tire there can be a tube.
Right. The tube holds the air. If it breaks, the shop may replace the tube.
Replace means put in a new one. Simple.
Very simple. And if the rubber tire is okay, you do not need a new tire.
That is a relief. I only wanted a small bike bill, not a dramatic bike bill.
A dramatic bike bill is never welcome.
Another bike word I know is chain.
Yes, the chain moves when you pedal.
Pedal is the part my foot pushes. Chain is the part that looks like it wants oil.
That is actually a pretty good description.
Thank you. I am now a bicycle poet.
A very specific kind of poet.
And the seat can be called a saddle, right?
Yes. Bike people often say saddle.
Saddle sounds like I should ride into the sunset.
On a bicycle, very slowly, with a helmet.
Safety first, sunset second.
Exactly.
So today we have handlebar, brakes, wheel, tire, tube, chain, pedal, and saddle.
Nice. But at the shop, you do not need to say all of that.
Good. I do not want to walk in and give a bicycle TED talk.
Haha, please do not. Start simple.
I have a flat tire.
Perfect. Then my back tire is flat.
If I want someone to check it, I say, "Can you take a look?"
Yes, that phrase is a superstar. Bike shop, phone shop, computer problem, strange noise in the kitchen.
Strange noise in the kitchen sounds serious.
It might just be the fridge, but yes, can you take a look? Works.
And if I am guessing, I can say, "I think I rode over something sharp."
Right. I think makes it clear that you are not sure.
Something sharp could be glass, metal, or a small nail.
And if you do not know, just say, I am not sure.
That is my favorite emergency English. I am not sure.
Very useful, honest and simple.
Then come the two practical questions.
How much will it cost?
And how long will it take?
Money and time. The two big questions.
And if the answer is okay, please go ahead.
That means yes, please start.
Great. My bike caused trouble, but at least it gave us useful English.
Thank you, dramatic tire.
Ha ha ha, yes, thank you, dramatic tire. Now let us hear the conversation again.
This time it should feel much easier.
Listen again. Same conversation.
Hi, I have a flat tire.
No problem. Which tire is flat?
My back tire is flat.
Okay, I can take a look.
Thank you. I think I rode over something sharp.
Maybe glass or a small nail.
Can you repair it today?
Yes, I can replace the tube.
Do I need a new tire too?
No, the tire is okay. You only need a new tube.
How much will it cost?
About $15 including labor.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That sounds good. Please go ahead.
Great, I will get it started.
Great job. Today my bike problem became our English lesson.
Remember, simple phrases are enough at the shop.
I have a flat tire. Can you take a look? How much will it cost?
And how long will it take?
Thanks for listening to Hobby English Lab. See you next time.